Guess what? The Cambridge Science Festival is happening this week. I know! Now, in preparation for one of the events taking place on April 29th, I had the privilege of interviewing MIT professor David Kaiser on his new book, How the Hippies Saved Physics. Yeah, quite a title. I wanted to know how also. Professor Kaiser is a German-Schausen professor of the history of science, the head of MIT's Department of Science, Technology, and Society, and a senior lecturer in physics. Professor Kaiser has been published in Nature, Science, Scientific American. He has been on NPR, Nova, and has received numerous awards for his work on the history of science. And today, for the first time in history, he will be on Physics Woman. Now, Professor Kaiser's new book is as awesome as its title and cover photo, which I'm told is unfortunately not him. The book is about a bunch of hippies who gathered in the 1970s at Berkeley to discuss quantum mechanics, that mysterious field of physics whose equations were pretty much set by the early 20th century. But these hippies wanted to understand what the equations meant. They wanted to understand Schrödinger's cat and Bell's theorem, among other bizarre quantum predictions. And at the same time, they were, of course, hippies. To quote Professor Kaiser's website, they studied quantum theory alongside Eastern mysticism and psychic mind reading, discussing the latest developments while lounging in hot tubs. Hot tub hippie highbrows, if you will. At the Cambridge Science Festival event, Professor Kaiser will be discussing this era of physics in the 1970s and answering any questions you might have. Now, I am honored to present an interview with Professor David Kaiser, answering a few of my questions.